Hello, good morning, guys. Today we will be talking about the rules of pronunciation. So, what we have first is the TION. Alright, now before I begin with the rules of pronunciation, these rules will help you pronounce many words that you face during your study. So, for example, we have the first one, which is TION. TION. So, what do you guys think it is pronounced? How do you guys think it should be pronounced? So, this one is pronounced as shun. Shun. Okay, repeat after me. Shun. Because the below words, like the first one here, action. See how it's pronounced? Action. Action. See, I first pronounced the AC, ak, and then shun. Action. Okay? Now, the second one, and it is the same. Fraction. Fraction. Okay? Let's see if you guys know what action and fraction means. On the next lecture, I want you to tell me the meaning of the words I'm writing right now. Okay, so this is the first one. This is how to pronounce the first two. Okay, so now we should move to the second one. The second one is shar. Shar. Now the word alone here, sure, it's pronounced sure. It's a different word. It means being positive of something. Sure. But when it comes within a word, within a single word, we pronounce it as shar. And I'll give you an example for that. An example is this word. Pressure. 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 Okay? So I also want you to tell me what's the meaning of pressure on the next lecture. Alright, guys. Good. Okay, now we should move to the second one. The third one, sorry. So the third one is you see the SSION and the SION are pronounced as shin. I want you to pause the video, repeat the video on this certain part. The SSION and the SION are pronounced as shin. Shin. Okay? Also. Now, for example, this word, and probably most of you know it from video games. Mission. 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 So as we said that, this part alone is pronounced shin, so it is easy. It became easy. Now we can say shin. Shin. Okay? Alright, good. Now we move to the second example. I want you to try and pronounce it for me. Very good. Very good. Shin. Shin. So in the word, sorry, in total is pronounced as session. 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 Okay. Now we move to the fourth one. Okay, so here we have the H. We say that the H is silent in the words below. For example, how do you guys pronounce these words? Like we said, the H here is silent. So, how do you pronounce it? How would you say this one? How do you pronounce this one and the rest? Let me hear you. Yes. Okay. So there are two pronunciations. Some people would pronounce it as honest, but that is not correct. That is not correct. That is not how you pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as honest. Honest. Okay, repeat after me. Honest. Honest. Okay. Now we move to the second one. Oh, sorry, this is the same one. Honest. Alright, now we move to the second one here. Honor. Honor. See, it is, there's a type of mobile phones that people here mistakenly call it honor, which is not correct, which is incorrect. This word is pronounced honor. Honor. And now for the third one, we have the word. I want you to try and pronounce this one for me as I write. Okay. This is not our. This is our. This is our. So, I want the meaning. This is like don't consider it as a homework, but for the next lecture, you are all in need of knowing the meaning of these words, like honest, honor, our. Okay? Alright, guys. So now, let's recap. Let's go from the top. So I have the T-I-O-N is pronounced as shun, and we gave examples for that, like action, fraction. Okay, this is one. Now we have shar. So, as examples for the second one are pressure. Okay, good. Now, the third one, shin as well. For example, mission, session. Very good. Now we move to the fourth one, where the H is silent in the word below. Honest, honor, our. Honest, honor, our. Alright, guys. Your homework for the next lecture, your homework will be, okay, alright. I want 2 words for each one. Okay. I want 2 words, sorry, for each one of these 4 rules. For each rule, sorry. Okay. And hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.